I'm here on the Boston Whaler Dauntless, and yeah, I have to clean the boat because it's very dirty. I left it out for the winter, and I opened this port here, and it was full with water, to my surprise, because it's supposed to be watertight, a watertight port, but from being on the wrong angle, water basically came in. I would expect, yeah, I would hope not from underneath. I was expecting from here. So this was full with water. I say, how is it possible? Why is there no outlet? So there is no outlet here, outlet port to drain the water, so I had to do this by hand. And when I look inside, there on the right, it goes basically here. This is the walkway here, and it looks like it's connected with this area, because here it was wet as well. So I'm not understanding why this is not, why there is no port to let the water out, or is there and I just don't know where it is, because outside on the hull I checked, there is no hole. So if anybody knows, the water came all the way here. This was also with water. Yeah, it's dirty. I'm not really sure. And then I looked here. I'm expecting that the water would, there's a little hole here. I would expect that water would go here to the, how do you call this pump again? I forgot the name. Bilge pump, yeah. But that level, this level here, is much lower than what I just showed. So I'm not understanding where this is supposed to drain. If anybody knows, let me know. Boston Whaler Dauntless.